Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The video explains how to turn on SafeSearch in Google Chrome on a laptop. So let's get started. Open Google Chrome browser. Now click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser. Select Settings from the drop-down. Go to Privacy and Security on the left. Click on Security. Under the Safe Browsing section, make sure Standard Protection is selected. After that, scroll down and find Use Secure DNS. Turn it on if it's off. Click on Choose Another Provider. From the drop-down list, select Clean Browsing Family Filter. That's it, SafeSearch is now enabled in Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.